So we use 2 medications or sometimes a 3rd medication in conjunction with testosterone in our testosterone replacement therapy. Those drugs are Anastrozole, Clomid, and then the 3rd one is HCG, which stands for human chorionic gonadotropin. So what the anastrozole does is it prevents our body from converting testosterone into estrogen. There's a specific enzyme in the body that does that. Now it's important that we manage estrogen levels in patients who are on testosterone replacement therapy, because once we start testosterone, the estrogen levels continue to rise. And the reason why that is because testosterone and estrogen are very similar molecules. They come from the same building block molecule. You can actually convert testosterone into estrogen. And so when the body thinks we have an excess of the testosterone, or it's higher than what it's used to, it'll start to convert some of that into estrogen. And the anastrozole blocks the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. And that's important because high estrogen levels, men tend to be very sensitive to that. Can cause hot flashes, night sweats, nipple tenderness, moodiness, weight gain, kind of all these symptoms that we don't want our patients to have. The second medication that we use is called Clomid. And what Clomid does is it helps maintain our testicular function. And the way that it does that is it stimulates the pituitary gland to release 2 specific hormones called FSH and LH. These are also referred to as gonadotropins. And what these 2 specific hormones do is they stimulate the testicles to produce sperm and testosterone. In addition to that, sometimes we will put patients on a medication called HCG, which I mentioned previously. It means human chorionic gonadotropin. And this is more of a direct stimulatory to the testicles instead of using the pituitary gland. So it's a little bit easier for patients to use. It tends to be a little bit more effective for the Clomid for some of the patients who aren't getting the response. So sometimes if we have patients who aren't really noticing much difference, or they have some of that testicular atrophy, we will put them on HCG. We've always had really great success with that medication.